The Devil card is about our shadow self. It's about the things that are bad for us. Addictions to either alcohol or drugs or cigarettes or food or something that's making us unhealthy. It can also be an addiction or an obsession. Are we obsessed with someone? Are we obsessed with a situation? Is there a movie going around and around and around in our heads that we can't seem to get rid of, lying awake at night and worrying? This is the dark side of ourselves. The symbolism of the devil is the horned goat, which from Christianity always meant Lucifer. The upside down pentagram is a symbol of Wicca that was taken by Christianity and turned into, in this respect, something evil. Whereas the upright pentagram in Wicca is about growth, protection, love and nurturing, the upside down pentagram is about evil. The bug inside the pentagram are the things that eat us from the inside out. They make us hollow. When you get a reading with the devil, look at some of the things that are motivating you. Or is there someone around that's actually a very, very bad influence on you? Interestingly enough, with the devil, because it means unbreakable bonds, the chains that bind us to the things that aren't good for us, it can also mean marriage, because when we make a commitment to someone for a lifetime, it becomes an unbreakable bond to someone else. Again, this depends on the surrounding cards. The upside down devil isn't as evil as the upright devil. The upside down devil has got more to do with childish pranks and playing up and having a little bit of an inflated ego, which has a possibility of being brought down. So in this way, the upside down card of the upright has a little more positive connotation than the upright card.